Introducing the Muscle Massage Gun Deep Tissue Percussion Massager. Handheld electric body massager's sports drill for athletes' pain relief and relaxation, the Watton W2 Black. Are you tired of muscle soreness after your high-intensity workouts? The Watton W2 Deep Tissue Massage Gun is here to help. With its powerful and quiet brushless motor, delivering 1,200–3,300 percussions per minute, you can enjoy a soothing massage without disturbing others. The working noise is only 30 dB, 50 dB. The long-lasting rechargeable battery with a capacity of 2,600 milliliters allows for 3 to 8 hours of use after just 5 hours of charging. And don't worry, when it's charging, the numbers on the screen will flash. With 20 speed levels and 2 using modes, the Watton W2 offers a customizable massage experience. Whether you need joint pain relief, myofascial release, or simply want to relax your sore muscles, this massage gun has got you covered. It's lightweight, easy to use, and comes with a sturdy portable case for convenient storage and travel. Treat yourself or your loved ones to the gift of relaxation with the Watton W2 Black Muscle Massage Gun.